to my channel, or more than likely to my channel, because it's still very new, still very much growing. Make sure you like and subscribe and share me out and help it grow out. But I got bored today after work and I decided it'd be a little fun to go on a follow me around. Sorry I keep looking. I'm still very nervous and very not used to talking to a camera, especially out in public in front of people. But yeah, I decided it'd be fun to follow me around and see what kind of Halloween items we could find. We all know Michael's is full already, but that'd be cool to get a little video tour of that. Maybe Second and Charles, maybe Target. I heard Target has their stuff out. Let's see what they got. Just more likely make an excuse so I have a reason to look for Halloween stuff and maybe buy stuff and not get in so much trouble when I spend all of my paycheck. So yeah. Oh God, it's also raining out, and yeah, I'm getting rain on me, getting little speckly rainies on me. Store looks dead. Yeah. So yeah, let's see what we can find. Whoop. Oh, I took a picture of my face. Absolutely love these. There's a picture of me playing with some of them. This one just lights up. Ooh. And then down here are the ones that make all the cool sounds. Get a little latch on the side. One thing I didn't test out that I was wondering about, I wonder if the different ones make different sounds or they're all the same sound. All the same sound. That's pretty cool. Oh, that must have a thing in it. Let's not ruin that for somebody. Okay, I just don't know how to press the button. Hey, welcome to my channel, and I'm going to learn how to push buttons. Ooh! My thumb. Strobe light for a super creepy effect. Oh, those are super cute. Those would look super cute in a tree. Little ghosties. I'm like in love with this little guy. Is he not the cutest thing you've ever seen? It's like... Then on the opposite side is this, like, more creepy, skeleton-y, gothic-y aesthetic going on. Oop. So when is Halloween decor just like house decor? Because I need that. Need that all year round. Those are also pretty cute. Tree of freaking eyeballs. I would also have that like hanging up year round. That's nice. Is he in a toilet? Oh, that's so funny. I thought she's eating my soul. I also just need this in my house. So this painting says try me, and I'm gonna figure out what it means.
But it looks like someone needs to do it.
She's still talking. Last but not least, the little town village. So freaking cute. on this side we got stuff to make fall wreaths, Halloween wreaths, all the way to Christmas wreaths. Definitely going to be making a Halloween one out of this bad boy. Oh, this looks like a voodoo doll more than a mummy. This is gonna be my next DIY project. These are so cute. These are really cool too. So yeah, please excuse my awkwardness inside Michael's. Just tried my best. Still really nervous, awkward, anxiety ridden about talking in front of people to myself. And with obviously filming a video, really nervous about getting kicked out. Want that footage for my videos. But yeah, I'm gonna try a little bit better as we continue on. Get a little comfortable with me, watch me grow. But we're gonna go into 2nd and Charles. I feel like that's where almost every weirdo's safe haven is, so hopefully I feel a little more comfortable with myself. Really need a camera with a viewfinder, so I want to look at myself so it looks like I'm not looking at the camera when I should probably be looking at the actual lens. So hi. Yeah, okay. Let's get going to the 2nd and Charles. So I was completely wrong about 2nd and Charles feeling like a safe haven. I instantly felt like everybody was staring at me, but of course that was just my anxiety and nerves getting to me. But luckily to the left of the front door was this cool little Halloween table with decor, novelty items, some costume items, but mainly just books, and Stephen King books at that. There was this Freddy Krueger little squishy head. Other than that, just like some fandom things, like this Harry Potter display. They mainly had everyday accessories, somehow like costume type things, like this Nimbus 2000 that I couldn't get to work, unfortunately. And on the other side, there's wands you can use in any kind of wizard or witch type costume, or just stick into Harry Potter, of course. But that was about it. On my way out, I did see this cool little witchy zodiac psychic themed table, but that just had some, everyday decor, not really that quite Halloween aesthetic I'm looking for. So since it was still raining, I asked a friend if she'd like to join me, and we took off to Target to see what we could find there.
Did I tell you I started eating healthier?
No, you didn't, but everyone lied. I was told there was Halloween stuff out, and I see a giant pencil. At this point, I started to ignore my friend that so graciously brought me to Target to begin with, and race forward to the back-to-school supplies to make sure there wasn't any hidden Halloween, just in the beginning stages of being put out. But there was not. There was nothing to be found. Nada. Zilch. I'm gonna enjoy these really cool little mystery things. It's really tempting to get because there's Lincoln Logs and Care Bears and a glowworm. All older little mini apparently workable little collectors. And also, if you're in the mood for it, Grandma Shark bracelet. So the only thing absolutely Halloween-y in all of Walmart are socks. Just a lot of socks. Don't worry, there's no Halloween decorations, but we also have Christmas socks with funny little names. That's fine, that's cool. I will find Halloween somewhere else. It is in fact a whole new day, but it's only 2 days later. The day that I'm going to be posting this video, but I just wanted to thank you guys for following me around and watching my video. Please make sure you like and subscribe and help a girl out. I have 2 more videos in the making, they're cool DIY projects, including making your own light up Halloween sign. So yeah, thank you for watching my awkwardness and supporting me.